Caillou es un niño al que le encanta aprender y sus diálogos son un poco más complejos que los de otros dibujos como Peppa Pig, y por lo cual puedes aprender una gran cantidad de palabras en inglés.
Caillou, 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 I'm Caillou. That's me. Daddy, I want to cook too.
Sorry, Caillou, but the barbecue is too hot. Why don't you go play with Rosie until dinner's ready?
Look, Mommy, look!
Oh no, ants! Yuck! Why don't you go see if Grandma needs some help in the kitchen while I make sure there are no more ants around?
Okay, Mommy.
Dino Train, especialmente hecha para aquellos niños amantes de los dinosaurios. La temática les enganchará y les ayudará a aprender vocabulario al tiempo que se divierten.
Once upon a time there was a mom. Her name was Mrs. Pteranodon. Sitting on her nest she heard a scratching and said,
Oh boy, my eggs are hatching!
one by one her kids pop free. Baby Pteranodons, 1, 2, 3.
I'll name you Tiny, Shiny, and Don.
But Tiny said,
Wait, there's one more, Mom.
the last little baby was a different size, with teeth and a tail and big green eyes. He didn't look anything like the rest.
What am I doing in a Pteranodon nest?
But dear old Mrs. Pteranodon said,
This is your family and I'm your mom. You may be different, but we're all creatures. All dinosaurs have different features. Come on, buddy, we'll take a vacation. I'll get us a ticket at Pteranodon Station. We'll travel the world in sunshine and rain and meet all the species on the
Dinosaur train!
Dinosaur train.
Dinosaur train!
Tiny, watch this. Ow. Oh, it's easier for me to crack nuts, buddy. I've got this beak. You're so lucky you have a beak. I wish I had something pointy like a beak. Like horns or something. Hey, when I get older, maybe I'll grow some horns. Maybe. Hey, Mom. Do you know any dinosaurs who have horns?
I know a family of dinosaurs called the Stygimolochs. They have lots of horns.
Can we go visit them?
Sure, we could take the dinosaur train and visit them. You could ask them all about their horns.
Dina es una niña de 9 años que adora los dinosaurios y pasa todo su tiempo aprendiendo sobre ellos. Allí podrás encontrar mucho vocabulario y aprender sobre los dinosaurios.
Sure. Wow.
And?
It's green.
And
what?
And what's its name?
Trudon.
How did you know that?
Because it's one of your top 105 favorite dinosaurs.
Number 68.
Wait, why is this alligator eating its babies?
It's not. That's how alligators protect their babies. They put them in their mouth and carry them to safety. Do you want to pull the tab? Come on, sister. Pull it. This one you can push up and down. Cool. It's better if you make a sound, too.
Roar!
I don't think it sounded like that at all.
Really?
No. See those pictures? Dinosaurs are a lot like birds.
How I Met Your Mother es una serie americana sobre un grupo de amigos que vive en Nueva York, con escenas muy graciosas y los acentos de los protagonistas son bastante neutros, por lo cual podrás aprender vocabulario de la vida cotidiana.
Kids, I'm going to tell you an incredible story. The story of how I met your mother.
Are we being punished for something?
No?
Yeah, is this gonna take a while?
Yes. 25 years ago, before I was dad, I had this whole other life. It was way back in 2005. I was 27, just starting to make it as an architect and living in New York with Marshall, my best friend from college. My life was good, and then Uncle Marshall went and screwed the whole thing up.
Will you marry me?
Yes, perfect. And then you're engaged. You pop the champagne, you drink a toast, you have sex on the kitchen floor. Don't have sex on our kitchen floor.
Got it. Thanks for helping me plan this out, Ted.
Dude, are you kidding? It's you and Lily. I've been there for all the big moments of you and Lily. The night you met, your first date, other first things.
Yeah, sorry, we thought you were asleep.
It's physics, Marshall. If the bottom bunk moves, the top bunk moves too. My God. You're getting engaged tonight.
Yeah. What are you doing tonight?
What was I doing? Your Uncle Marshall was taking the biggest step of his life, and me? I'm calling up your Uncle Barney.
Hey, so you know how I've always had a thing for half Asian girls? Well, now I've got a new favorite, Lebanese girls.
Modern Love, una serie que retrata el amor en todas sus diferentes facetas. Con episodios cortos y divertidos podrás aprender inglés.
Who am I? I'm hard to describe. I mean, everyone's hard to describe, right? But I'm really hard to describe because I've got this little thing. It's a little thing, nothing more, not like a big thing. Well, it's biggish, depending on the way you look at it. It's not tiny, but it's not huge. It's a thing, that's all. But how to tell you about it? Oh, you want to know who I am? Here's who I am. I'm in a supermarket years ago looking for some peaches, like a craving for peaches. You know the way you wake up sometimes with like a crazy, crazy craving for peaches? Well, like that. And I'm shimmering, but literally shimmering, as I've chosen as my early morning supermarket visit attire a sequined shirt that I absolutely adore and which I can never find the right occasion for. It matched my mood. I was in a really good mood.
The Good Doctor. ¿Te interesa el inglés médico? Fácil. Ve series de doctores, como esta. Y cuando veas estas series con vocabulario especializado, ten tu móvil a la mano y ponte los subtítulos en inglés.
Somebody call 911!
I'm a doctor. Let me take a look. His jugular vein's been cut. Does anyone have a clean cloth? Please, someone!
I have a fresh change of clothes in my bag.
That's great.
You're killing him.
I'm saving his life. He was bleeding out.
You have it in the wrong place.
I think I remember enough of Anatomy 101 to know what the jugular vein is.
You would be in the right place if he were an adult. He's not an adult. He is a boy, which means you're also putting pressure on his trachea, which means he's not currently breathing. You have to put the pressure higher up. There. Some glass. He'll be fine.
Who are you?
Hello. I'm Dr. Sean Murphy. I'm a surgical resident at San Jose St. Bonaventure Hospital.
The Big Bang Theory. Es una serie útil para adquirir lenguaje coloquial y referencias culturales estadounidenses. Además, aprenderás los matices del humor norteamericano, incluyendo entonación, ritmo y acento.
Call. McFlono, McFlooniloo.
Calling Rajesh Kuthrapali.
Oh, it's very impressive. And a little racist. all through playing Mock the Flawed Technology. Can we get on with Halo Night? We were supposed to start at 8. It is now 8:06.
So, we'll start now.
Yes, first we have to decide if those lost 6 minutes will be coming out of game time, bathroom time, or the pizza break.
We can split it 2, 2, and 2.
If we're having anchovies on the pizza, we can't take it out of bathroom time.
Oh, what fresh hell is this?
Well, hey, Penny, come on in.
Hey, guys.
See a penny, pick her up, and all the day you'll have good luck.
No, you won't. Can I hide out here for a while?
Sure. What's going on?
Well, there's this girl I know from back in Nebraska, Christy. Anyway, she called me up and she's like, hey, how's California? And I'm like, awesome, because, you know, it's not Nebraska. And the next thing I know, she's invited herself out here to stay with me.
8:08.
Anyway, she got here today and she's just been in my apartment yakety-yakking about every guy she slept with in Omaha, which is basically every guy in Omaha, and washing the sluttiest collection of underwear you have ever seen in my bathroom sink.
Well, is she doing it one thong at a time, or does she throw it all in? Like some sort of erotic bouillabaisse.
No olvides suscribirte, activar la campanita para recibir notificaciones y darle like a mi video.